Jazz and I'm back with another video, and this video is about charcoal nose pore strips. This shiny nose. So basically these strips claim that they are efficient enough to take the blackheads off your nose, and this guy right here is my brother, and you can already know by his expressions that he is being forced to be in this video because I just wanted to see if it works equally well for both men and women. This packet costs rupees 200 and it has 10 strips inside of it. That means each application, if it works efficiently for you, is going to cost you rupees 20. So 20 rupees okay for one-time blackhead removal?
Yes.
Alright, so can you please tell us how to use this?
For use on nose only, not suitable for use around the eyes. And if strip does come into contact with the eyes, rinse immediately with clean warm water. Use 1-2 times per week, leaving a 3 days interval between use. Do not use on skin that is irritated, sunburned, broken, moles or varicose veins. Do not use if you have previously suffered an adverse reaction from a strip, tape or face mask product in the past. Direction for use. Thoroughly clean the face with water, ensuring that the skin is free from any cosmetics or other skin treatments. Wet nose area thoroughly with clean warm water. Please note that strip will not adhere if skin is dry. With dry hands, open the nose strip sachet and peel the strip away from the liner. Apply the strip with the shine side down on the nose, taking care to smooth out any bubbles or creases. Allow the strip to dry naturally for about 10 to 15 minutes and then carefully start to peel the strip off from the two ends towards the middle. If the strip is too firmly attached or is painful to remove, wet the area thoroughly until the strip is easy to remove.
Alright, so we'll get 2 of these because we are 2 here. Open this for you.
What we need?
We just need to first take it out, and this is how it looks from inside. And like it said that the shiny surface has to be on your nose. But before that, you need to clean the area where you're applying it and dab it with lukewarm water, which I have right here with me. So here's my water and the tissue. Dip it in it and put it on your nose for like a couple of seconds. It's hot. Just clean your nose with it. And basically why we are putting the hot wet tissue on our nose, so that it opens the pores on our nose and this charcoal mask can fit here, sit here and take the blackheads out. And if your nose is not thoroughly wet, the charcoal mask will not sit.
We need to moisten.
हाँ तो moisten ही तो कर रहे हैं.
This is moisten. We want to dry out.
Why will it dry out?
Hot water will dry out the skin.
No,
That's why we don't,
you have to make it wet. Read the instruction. Dip the tissue in hot water and put it on your nose like this and hold it like this so that it opens the pores. This is actually the logic. 10 seconds. 10. 7 हाथी, 6 हाथी, 5 हाथी, 3 हाथी, 2 हाथी, 1 हाथी. Because he is using it for the first time, I'll just help him apply it. When you are applying it, your hands should be dry. Press it so that there are no bubbles. Alright guys, so it's been close to 15 minutes that we have it on our nose, and because he applied first, I want you to come and start pulling it off from down to up. And also tell if it pains. Is it painful?
No, not much. थोड़ा सा तो सेंसेशन है ही ना, जैसे टेप आप लगा देते हो.
Did anything come out?
मिट्टी विट्टी तो फंसी होगी।
I
आई
could
थिंक
also
हेयर्स आए
think.
हैं, हेयर्स आए हैं काफ़ी सारे, मुझे दिख रहे हैं यहाँ से। शायद आप सबको दिख रहे होंगे अब जब ये शाइन हो रहा है तो।
Yeah, now I think it's in focus. You can see that there is a bit of blackheads, but more of peachy fuzz here. It's not very painful.
Yeah, it's just like कि टेप लगाई हुई है।
Yeah, it's just like micropore tape on your nose. Maybe if your skin is very, very, very dry, then it might pain. In my case, I can see some whiteheads coming out. I hope it is visible on camera. It did help me remove out some of the impurity. Here we are using this aloe vera gel, which is anti-acne. Put it on your nose and move it in circular motion. You just need to put something which is antibacterial. This shiny nose. Just to make a quick note, my brother is also an Insta food blogger, so please don't forget to follow him here and see how terribly tasty food stories he creates over there. All my social media links will be there in the description box. Please stop by and say hi. This is it for this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to mention your favorite moment of this video in the comment section. Make the black thumb blue and hit the bell icon ताकि मेरे आने की आवाज मेरे आते ही आप तक डायरेक्ट पहुंच जाए. I'll see you another time in next video. Till then, bye.